Hello besties, I'm bringing you guys to my kitchen today and I'll be showing you guys how I cook my favorite Cameroonian soup called Eru. See for yourself, look at how yummy it is. So for the Eru, you need to have the Eru, which is I would say the most important ingredient. Then you need to have your crayfish. My crayfish comes from Cameroon, the Eru as well. You need to have your dry fish, as you can see, from Cameroon too. And then you can use any meat, but I choose to use this steamed pork from Kaufland. If you're in Germany, you should try it. It's so yummy. Then you need your pepper, as you can see. Then the palm oil. That's what we use for the soup. I got this at the African shop here in Germany as well. So this is the spinach, which replaces the water leaf. So for those who in Cameroon don't normally use water leaf, but spinach also works very well. This is like a glance of what we need for our Eru. I usually use ginger as well to add some aroma. So the first thing to do is you want to wash your Eru. You really wash it very well. So I will wash it like that, and then I will put it on the sieve and rinse it with flowing water to make sure that it's really very clean. And yeah, after doing that, I will then put it in my pot and blend it with my spinach. Actually, I'm not a measurement person. I cook with estimation, so I just use my eyes to estimate. Come on, that's how we all learn from our mothers, right? So please put in the comment section if you as well you cook just by estimating and not by measuring. Please put it in the comment, let's relate. So I would make sure that the Eru blends very well with the spinach. So you have to stir. That's Eru. Eru is all about stirring. You will stir until your hand can even hurt. So I'll add my dry fish and make sure I still blend everything. Actually, I didn't use any water for the Eru. Since my spinach was frozen, I just cooked like that, and the water that melted, I just used it to cook the Eru with. I don't use water. After adding the meat as well, I will still stir. I'll put in ginger, everything, and I'll add some salt, as you can see. Please just be watching what you're seeing. Yeah, I don't measure, I just estimate with my eyes. After that, I'll just stir everything. Like, I really had to stir it so that the salt, the ginger, and everything blends very well together. You can see how it's looking, right? Yeah, that is cooking. The water from the spinach that melted is really cooking the thing, cooking the meat, cooking everything. And then I add my crayfish. When I know everything it's almost cooked, I add the crayfish. And I will keep on stirring. Make sure it blends very well. The crayfish plays a very important role because it would give that aroma. Yeah, I mean, as you can see, it adds some color to the soup before giving the aroma. So crayfish is so powerful in this soup. Then I'll add pepper and I'll add my oil. I want to say like in German. German. So I don't like when my Eru is too oily because I try to control my cholesterol level. So I like my Eru with a little bit of oil, not so many, just the way it's enough actually. So after adding my oil and after cooking it, look at the way it's glittering. Look at the way the Eru is glittering. In pidgin we will say Eru go sweet. So after, I'll leave it to cook. When it cooks, I still come and I stir. As I said, Eru is about stirring. You have to stir, you stir. Look at the way it looks good. I mean, I just want to eat it with gari or water fufu. No, like that. In my city, there is no water fufu, so I'll just do it gari. Yeah, but Eru and gari is still sweet though. Look at it. Look at it now. Oh my god, I'm the queen of Eru. If I'm sure of one thing, I know I can cook Eru very well. The others I can doubt, but Eru is my thing. I mean, and if you like this video, please just give it a thumbs up, and my comment section is open. Give me your impressions, your suggestions, and everything so that we can help ourselves, besties. See you.